Beli pi barang ipian supaya pi cakap kubor mendaga janmit, syuan paci kubor kibabnya ini pek cuai kemat bukangsan. Beli isim bentar menterang badu keri Narendra Modi haka ASEAN India Summit bat East Asia Summit Jakarta Indonesia. Kam uba HM Syangpliang ba kajing menteri kam presiden ke BJP Meklea kelapun bori uban Mino Nataseng. Kerkompania jadi kam kijam da uba Mauri kalam sya kajing khatno kinong elam keseng kentaj ba Ernest Mauri ya kajing kena. Bat laraki ya kaleng nyam jan masmi hakaleng kibenta jong keri. Kikubor kibabnya. Umenterang badu keri Narendra Modi ulalej bani sementa haka ASEAN India Summit ha Jakarta Indonesia hene ke step. Modi ulapoi ha Jakarta hene ke step perngap bani sementa haka ASEAN India Summit bat ke East Asia Summit. Haba ajing keren haka ASEAN India Summit kaba arpau Modi ulang baka ASEAN kalong kum upaya bakang san kebentai kimat rekam jong India baletip kum ke India's Act East Policy. Modi ulaban ru halor ke jong dan kam jong ke jing trelang na kebentai ke jing suk ke jing roy jing par jong kini kitanya po ke ASEAN.
पिछले वर्ष हमने भारत आसियान फ्रेंडशिप ईयर मनाया और आपसी संबंधों को एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का रूप दिया। आज वैश्विक अनिश्चितताओं के माहौल में भी हर क्षेत्र में हमारे आपसी सहयोग में लगातार प्रगति हो रही है। यह हमारे संबंधों की ताकत और रेजिलियंस का प्रमाण है।
Uba Himalaya Syangpliang ubalong teng udkhat ke BJP ulang ba unsarung no banlong ke udkhat jong ke NPP ha ke khalai trik menta ubnai. Ula banrap ru ba ke daw ba ulami no na ke BJP ke long namar ba ke seng ha pok jing lam uba Mauri kam shimlale AA ban kenti ke seng bat kumta usngau ba kam don jing mentoi AA ya u ban neksa bat ke seng BJP.
There were 3 attempts from my side to remind the president of the BJP in the state, Mr. Mauri, to do something, to start working, to provide those kind of opportunities for many upcoming leaders and young leaders of the state to work for the party. But sad to say, till yesterday, the day that I left the party, no action has been taken by Mr. Mauri.
Katu kat ni kenta hadin kejing ino kam jong uba HM Syangpliang presiden keseng ha kejela uba Ernest Mauri ula kenta ya kejing kena badan kejing lek Siliang ha keseng kembali kenta uba Syangpliang penban ula kena persya ya uba Syangpliang badai mauhi bawat lat banyo jing mentoi Shimet ha kejuga por ba Ernest ula ang ru ba ya kejeruat ha keseng lalek ra sya kur komiti bani kren halor kani.
We in BJP, we never practice this nepotism. We have a proof. Right in the state office bearer, we have different name, different title. When we denotified the mandal at Mausunram and restored new mandal on request of Syangpliang, we have appointed his own brother, Mr. Rudy M. Syangpliang, as the mandal president. Will he give a statement that is a nepotism? That is example. So this charge is we cannot accept is useless and baseless.
UMLA barim ke Mausunram ba Himalaya Muktan Syangpliang bala ino kam na kaseng BJP hakan rio turik nailor ulo ang ba kadaw penlong ya ban ino kam kalong ba presiden kaseng ha jela ba Ernest Maury umbiang ya kurukam penyat ya kikam kijam. Haba pentip ya kane menteri kabinet uba AL hek ulo ang ba syang pliang ha jingkran jong ula kena ba Maury umihap jingmut bat lagi dekat. Kat kum ka khubor balayo lom la ya tho ba syang pliang udon gajing temu benikon ya ka election lok sabha 8,000 saw na kaseng NPP.
Lang met me. He is one of the leader of the BJP. In meeting with me in my chamber, he said that he's going to resign tomorrow. So today he has resigned. So I said, what the reason that you want to resign from the BJP? So the main reason is that is the style functioning of the state president, Mr. Ernest Maury. That was the main reason. General view also it is similar to him only. Everybody accusing the same views. That the style and the functioning of the state president, which is non-cooperative with all the members.
Presiden ke BJP ha jela ba Ernest Maury hin kesngi ulo ang bagajing kulmar Manipur kan amdan jingta AA ha kabayade bat kejing la jong keseng banyo jing job ha ke election lok sabha ke banwan ulo ang bakaseng kala syem kilat kelenti ke bapaka banwan ra biang ya ka song shangan ha ka Manipur da ka benrap balap menlong ya shibun kijing kenduk lang rengkat breu jong gijat breu per da kinong ilam ke sarkar pdeng kan thup menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng u Amit Shah uba Maury ulakam ba kijing kren na kinong mikmat ha Manipur kalong ka ba aiman sim bat bakaseng kan yai bat ya kasit ka pamenta.
We have the meeting and the representative from Manipur also they are present there. They are very clear that this is the conflicts, yes, we know, but it will not. There is no impact, like it will not affect the election. That is a statement given from the people from Manipur. They are aware, they know better than us.
Kaseng BJP ha kejalah nen kesengi kala benrap ba kejing wan ra jong ke sarkar pdeng ya ke one nation one election lani ke election kan wan ra ya shibun kejing mentoy ha kari. Presiden ke BJP ha kejala ba Ernest Maury ulo ang ba da ka bakdo ba ka sarkar pdeng kan penut kesan ya ka pisah tengka bat ke bormet ha ka por badan ki election da ka benrap ba kane kejing temu jong ka one nation one election kan penduna ya kejing lut jing sep nalor kejing kentiu ya ke bor penyat haman ki jela shu ulo ang ba ka rukom jong ka one nation one election kan long kejing gerku am tang ya ke jela miklea henrei ya karihi barok kawai.
One nation, one election. And this will benefit the state in terms of expenditure, in terms of development. You see now, continuously we are having election. And model code of conduct has been executed in election. So 3-month model code of conduct, then 6 months, then who will be the loser? The public. No scheme can be implemented one after election. So I think if we can bring this system of one nation, one election, it will be the blessing not only for Meghalaya, for the whole country.
Ya kale niam Janmashtami ke badai geleng ko singka ublai Krishna larakhe menta ke singi ha kaleng ki benta jong keri da kirunge ki balalet shek temple ban aingo aidam ya ublai Krishna. Hasilong kirunge ki lapanlong ya kejing duai barakhe keleng ko singka jong ublai Krishna halakshmi Narayan Mandir ke badan ha khandai lat bat kiwe ki jaka. Lapan sedang ya kejing lek niam Janmashtami celebrations da kaman gala arti bot saka guru puja bat ke maha Abhishek. Mentapat ngipek kejing long jingman kesimneng Shillong kejing shit kalong 8.9 degree Celsius ber kejing krek kalong kendai 0.9 degree Celsius kejing singam hau kalong nyupuwe na kispa man step nyup saw na kispa janmit kelak bandan kejing hap slap ke bang melum malah hakikat tu kat ni kijaka sebab ban poi suk bukut jong thuk kubor ngipek yang sesen ni kimat bakong san Lek sementara Menteri Badu Keri Narendra Modi haka ASEAN India Summit bagi East Asia Summit di Jakarta, Indonesia. Kamu ba ecam siang pliang ba kajing bom treka presiden ke BJP Miklaya kalapan bori uban mi no na kaseng. Karu kompenia jadi kam dau ba Mauri kalam sya kajing kena kena ngelam kaseng kentaj ba Ernest Mauri ya kajing kena. Bat larake ya kalek Ramjan Mastami hakaleng benta jong keri. Te perlok dak itu kubor ngila pois kubukut jong tu kubor jong benta janmit hadu meni sembiang pila syakis ni blai pi barok.